name's Dr. Anna Saylor with Every Family Chiropractic Center located in Royal Oak, Michigan. And today we have a special guest who's getting adjusted. We have Batman today.
Hi everybody.
So what's going on, Batman?
Oh man, I'll tell you, the Joker and I went round and round last night, Doc. And my back is messed up. So I'm hoping that you'll be able to put me back in alignment so I can feel much better and fight crime. How does that sound?
Awesome.
Oh,
my
great.
pleasure.
Thank you.
So let's see what's going on with Batman. Okay, so Batman, your hips out a little bit.
Okay.
You jump in tall buildings.
Oh my goodness.
Is that the wrong hero?
Yep, no. Fantastic.
And your shoulders.
Okay.
Probably been standing in this position for a little too long.
I'm not surprised that my shoulders are out of alignment.
And what's going on with the neck?
Oh yeah. We had a heck of a battle last night in Gotham City.
Lots of punching going on.
Oh my goodness, kicking, punching, wrestling. It was kind of like a cage match in the entire city. Robin and I were tag teaming the Joker and Two-Face, the Riddler, the Penguin.
You had a full fight going on last night.
Oh my goodness, yes we did. But thanks to you, I always come back for more.
Awesome.
Make sure that I'm in perfect alignment to fight crime.